The show, syempre dahil it's a short year, Gary V, Your Energy, what we did was we gathered together and I was asked to lead a prayer. Alam niyo, mga kaibigan, palagi ito nangyayari. I'm always asked to lead before asap natin to begins, lead a prayer. Before, even minsan concerts mga ng iba, I lead a prayer as well. And what's fascinating is when all the heads are bowed down, it basically makes me the single voice that represents all the other hearts of those around me. Today we know that there are wars, rumors of wars in so many places of the world. Yet, I know there are many of us here who are going through our own internal wars that the world may never know, may never see, and may never even care about. And these are the hearts that may be lost, anxious, hurting, or in need of healing. Recently, I shared an idea with friends, and I'm thankful that some of them are actually here tonight and have responded to the invite to join me for this song. I need not introduce each and every one of them to you, but they have agreed to do more than just sit and watch this concert. And as they make their way up here, you'll see that they're from everywhere. From ABS-CBN to GMA, to all other corporations, they're just here. This is incredible. I didn't expect to see all of them here tonight. But they are here. And what makes this song special is this man up here. He is the father of Andrew Depano of Ben and Ben. This is Arnel Depano. He is the writer of this next song that I want to sing, not as a message from me, but as a message from all of us to all of you. This is the song. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord, lead me, Lord. Walk by me across the lonely roads that I may face. Take my heart.